In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively reach out to Temu support for any help or concerns you might have. Whether you're facing technical issues, have general inquiries, or simply need some clarification, reaching out to the right channel is crucial to getting the support you need. Let's dive in to explore the best way to contact Temu's support team. So let's get started. First things first, you need to navigate over to the Temu website. You can easily find it by opening your preferred web browser and typing Temu in the search bar. Once you're there, you'll want to search for the support section. This is usually located in the navigation bar at the top of the page, but can sometimes be tucked away in the footer, so keep an eye out as you scroll. Once you've found and clicked on the support link, you'll be presented with a variety of options to raise your concerns or seek assistance. It's quite common to have FAQs listed here, which can address some of the more common issues users face. So if you have a quick question, it's worth checking there first. However, if your situation is more specific or requires personalized assistance, you might want to reach out directly. One convenient way to contact them is through email. Typically, there will be an email address provided within the support section that is dedicated to customer queries. Sending an email is a great option if your issue isn't urgent and allows you to clearly outline your problem and attach any relevant screenshots if need be. Another method to get in touch with Temu is through social media. At the very bottom of the Temu webpage, you will find icons linking you to their various social media accounts. This is an excellent option if you prefer more real-time communication or simply want to explore additional channels for customer interaction. Whether it's Twitter, Facebook, or another platform, social media can often provide quicker responses and a more casual interaction experience. Once you've chosen your method of contact and reached out, all you need to do is wait for their response. Turnaround times can vary depending on the volume of inquiries they're handling, but rest assured, reaching out through the proper channels will help ensure your query receives the attention it needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to get the support you need from Temu. Remember, having all the relevant details on hand before you reach out will help you communicate more effectively and allow Temu's support team to assist you in the best possible way. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below.